You own shares in a company. Big up. Now you get a message saying they're offering you more shares. It's called a rights issue. Your first thought might be, free money, let me grab it. Or, this looks complicated, let me ignore it. Stop. Both could be a mistake. Before you do anything, you need to check these 3 key things. Let's break it down. Welcome to the Investment Nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. Number 1. The discount. The wow, is this a steal factor? The company is selling you new shares at a special price just for you. But is the discount good? For example, CalBank's shares were recently trading around GHS 0.8, but they're offering them to you at GHS 0.29. That's a 64% discount. That sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. A big discount can sometimes mean the company is in a bit of trouble and needs cash urgently. So a big discount is great, but you have to ask why. Number 2. The reason. The where is my money going factor. This is the most important part. The company must tell you why they need your money. Never invest without knowing this. In the CalBank document, they say it's to restore their capital after the Domestic Debt Exchange Program, MATIN DDP. Think of it like this. The bank went through a tough storm, the DDEP, and it needs to rebuild its strength. Your money is the building material. If they use it well, the bank becomes stronger and your shares could be worth more in the future. If not, well, you get it. Always check if the reason makes sense for the long-term health of the company. Number 3. The dilution. The what happens if I say no factor. This is a fancy word, but it's simple. Let's go back to our pizza. Right now, you own 1 slice of a pizza that has 10 slices. The company is now baking 20 more slices. If you don't buy your extra slices at the discount and other people buy them, your 1 slice is now a much smaller piece of a much bigger pizza. Your share of the whole company gets smaller or diluted. This means your voting power and your share of future profits could get smaller. So doing nothing has a real cost. Bonus. The deadline. You can't sleep on this. For CalBank, you have from November the 3rd to November 21st, 2025 to decide and pay. Mark your calendar. This video is just to help you understand the process. This is not financial advice. I am not telling you to buy or not to buy. Investing is risky and you can lose money. Please talk to a financial advisor before making any decision. So, to recap, check the discount, understand the reason, and know the risk of dilution. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below with right if this brings some clarity to you. Was this helpful? Let me know your thoughts. Smash that like button if you learned something, and follow for more tips on how to be a smarter investor without the stress. One love.